Today, we want to address a common concern that many homeowners face, and that's the impact of moss in their roofs. As a reputable and reliable roof cleaning company, we understand the importance of keeping your roof pristine. In this blog, we'll explore why moss on a roof is detrimental and how RedClean can effectively clean it while guaranteeing a moss-free roof for 4 years. The moss invasion. Moss, a small non-flowering plant, is a common sight in damp and shaded areas. It thrives in moist environments and is notorious for finding its way into roofs. While most may initially seem harmless, it can quickly become a menace if left unchecked. So why is moss harmful to your roof? Water retention. Moss has the unique ability to retain water like a sponge. When it rains, the moss on your roof absorbs and traps moisture, creating a damp environment. This prolonged exposure to moisture can lead to various issues including rotting, corrosion and mould growth. Lifting roof tiles. As moss grows and expands, it can lift roof tiles, causing them to become loose and dislodged. This compromises the integrity of your roof and exposes it to potential leaks and further damage. Blocked gutters. Moss can accumulate and clog your gutters, hindering the proper flow of rainwater away from your roof. This leads to water pooling on your roof and seeping into vulnerable areas, potentially causing leaks and water damage. Algae and fungal growth. Moss often coexists with algae and fungi, which thrive in the same moist environment. These microorganisms can cause damage by breaking down the materials of your roof and accelerating its deterioration. RedClean's moss removal process. At RedClean, we have honed a moss removal process to effectively combat the menace of moss and restore your roof's health. Our 4-step approach ensures thorough and lasting results. Inspection. Before we begin the moss removal process, our experienced technicians thoroughly inspect your roof. This allows us to assess the extent of the moss growth and identify any underlying issues that may need to be addressed. Gentle moss removal. We gently remove the moss from your roof using specialised tools and techniques, ensuring minimal disruption to the tiles and underlying structure. We do not cause any damage while effectively eliminating the moss infestation. Roof treatment. Once the moss is removed, we apply a safe biocide treatment to inhibit the regrowth of moss, algae and fungi. This step is crucial in preventing moss from making a comeback and extending the longevity of your roof. 4-year guarantee. Here at RedClean, we are confident in the effectiveness of our moss removal process. That's why we offer a unique 4-year guarantee against the return of moss on your roof. If any moss reappears within the 4 years of our service, we will return and treat your roof at no additional costs. The RedClean difference. At RedClean, our commitment to excellence and customer satisfaction sets us apart. Here's why our customers trust us for their roof cleaning needs. Experienced professionals. Our team of skilled technicians undergo training and possess the expertise to handle various roof types. You can trust us to deliver a superior service that leaves your roof moss-free and pristine. Environmentally friendly solutions. We prioritise the health of your family, pets and the environment. Our eco-friendly roof treatments protect your home from harmful chemicals while effectively deterring moss growth. State-of-the-art equipment. We utilise advanced equipment and industry-leading techniques to achieve remarkable results without causing any damage to your roof. Responsive customer service. At RedClean, we believe in open communication and value your feedback. Our friendly customer service team is always ready to address your inquiries and provide assistance when needed. Moss on your roof may seem harmless, but its impact can lead to severe damage and costly repairs if left untreated. RedClean is your trusted partner in keeping your roof in top-notch condition. Our proven moss removal process combined with our 4-year guarantee ensures that your roof remains moss-free and protected for years to come. Thank you for choosing RedClean as your roof cleaning specialist. We look forward to serving you and helping you maintain a moss-free and healthy roof. Keep your roofs clean and your homes happy.